In a somber turn of events, the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, Zanu PF, faces an internal implosion as the fabric holding the party together appears to be fraying at the seams. Achinaomira mushe muri Zimbabwe, noda kuti mubato reZanu PF aiwa zvonzi Zanu PF yayo ichizoparara. Noda kuti aiwa makutanga kutoita conflicts, internal conflicts pachavo. Sapita mashoko sonywa kwaitiwa, chiona sokubuda kwaita pazimu ainoti bo subscribe or like utina on the bell icon. Notipinda vakomana veZimu yanyera vachiti the emergency meeting held on the 10th Monday was indicative of escalating tensions within the once revolutionary party, now struggling amidst both internal discord and external pressures stemming from an increasingly dire economic landscape. A Zanu PF source on Monday said, "We're at a critical juncture in the history of our party, facing challenges that demand unity and resolve. The state of the party is under strain, and we must address these internal fissures before they widen beyond repair." The mention of the international affairs on the meeting's agenda only serves to underscore the extent to which external pressures are compounding Zanu PF's internal struggles. Saka ndo zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa mubato reZanu PF muri kunzi muita internal conflicts sezvazviri kuexposewa nevakomana veZimu aya vachiti aiwa mubato reZanu PF vafana kuadresa nekuresolva issues avari kuita noda kuti makuita conflicts especially ku the hierarchy. Sachimotudze mafungiro enyu munori kudii pamusoro this touching issue. Noda kuti aiwa a once revolutionary party ichizofola ichizodonha drastically. Sachimotudze mafungiro enyu pinai comment section medu pamusanga no subscribe kulike chinotina on the bell icon.